and welcome again in Naja Tech channel. In this video, don't miss to subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon to get notified for my earliest video. And if you like this video, to hit like, and the opposite if you don't like this video, to hit dislike. In this video, after update your window from Windows 10 to Windows 11, net speed monitor don't work, doesn't show on the taskbar. In this video, how to show net speed monitor on taskbar. So follow me step by step. Is how to set net speed monitor shown on the taskbar, and some customize for startup. So follow me step by step. I want to go to my description in YouTube and copy paste this link. After copy paste, or you can click on this link. Okay, this my Telegram. This download don't have expiry date, that because I upload on Instagram, on Telegram, because don't have expiry link. So you go to my Telegram and download the net speed monitor. This version work on Windows 11, no problem, and show on the taskbar. Okay, right click, show in folder, and after download you can right click and unzip in a folder. I know you can unzip in a folder this zip file. Okay, because I already downloaded that caution show. So after unzip this program, after unzip, okay, will show in folder. I will search the folder where I unzip this file. Okay, and I will duplicate and run, right click and run as administrator. As administrator. So I have this taskbar, right click, and I will click show on taskbar. So this application show on taskbar. Now I want to try to customize net traffic monitor option. Okay, I this on the window, this shown on the window. I will customize on system tray. This main window you can change color, or you can change color or change font on the desktop. Okay, kilobyte, not kilobits. Okay, I will push taskbar settings. I change color and I change font and I change number. Okay, I change font and I change number. Okay, kilobyte not kilobits, kilobyte not kilobits, fixed. And okay, the color on the taskbar change, and the font. Right click on taskbar icon. Okay, I choose my adapter network. Okay, I change my adapter network. Okay, this is my adapter network I choose. Okay, there is one thing more to start at startup. I will show you how to make show at startup. But after I will check update. Okay, check update now. Check now update. It's important to check this application update. I can push here, click here for monitor, CPU, GPU, and this all others. You can check this, and here you can check here. After this one, you can check here if you want to show net speed monitor on the left side of the taskbar. If you check this one, can appear on the left. Okay, this here you can check if you want to net speed monitor on the left. You can choose which side you want. After okay, that on the left. Okay, don't miss to support me by liking this video and subscribe. Thanks for all support.